Hi guys, welcome to another tutorial video on Blender presented by Mina Games. Today we're going to attempt to make a 3D heart. So I have my Blender screen open. We're using 2.82, the version for Blender. So we'll just quickly head over to the edit mode by pressing tab, and we'll start with a loop cut. The reason we're doing it is because we're going to use the mirror modifier. So we will remove the left hand side of the cube because we don't need it. So we'll head over to the X-ray mode so that I can select the vertices at the back. And now I will just do a box select, press X, and remove the vertices. So now we're going to mirror it. So we'll go to the add modifier tab, select the mirror, and as you can see I want it on the x-axis, so I have the x, and I also would want to have the clipping so that the continuation is not broken. So always remember the axis is the color or the line color that you can see. So here I have x, and x is the reddish color here, so I need my mirror on the x. So now our base is ready, so we'll just add some more loop cuts to get the shape of the heart. I think 2 is fine. We place them where they're created. And you know the shape of the heart is something like this. So that's what we're going to do today. So we'll just go to the front view and select the ground vertices, grab them, pull them out, and get the top vertices, grab them, pull them out. And now I will try to give the other vertices the same movement path, so to speak, so that we get this kind of chalice shape. So we have got this now. Now a heart is slightly up here, so we'll just put another loop cut up here, and then select these vertices, grab them, and just go up, 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 up. Yeah. Now we're going to use the subdivision modifier on this. And as you know, the subdivision modifier basically makes the vertices fall on top of each other. So the reason I'm keeping it so sharp is because we don't have any supporting loops down here. We'll get to that in a moment. Let's just move this one out a little bit. Yeah, so it doesn't look that bad. Let's just take the side view, mm, and go to the face view and just select all the faces. And then a heart would be tapered on the side, so that's what we're trying to achieve here. So we'll just press S on our keyboard, lock it on the y-axis, and just slowly bring it forward. Don't have to bring it much because the subdivision modifier would do that job for us. And yeah, basically if we look at it, remove the X-ray mode. So we have got like a good base mesh up here. Let's head over to edit mode, turn on the X-ray, and take the vertices mode. We have to add the modifier. Let's see what happens when we add the subdivision modifier. It's starting to take shape. As you can see, we've got this nice little rounded heart, a cute little heart. So we will just maybe increase the viewport setting. Much better, much better. So now we'll go head over to the front view again and do some adjustments to our heart. So I'll just bring this down a little bit, grab this, and then just bring it like this so that we get that rounded feel to it. Perfect. I think this is good enough. And then let's just see it round. So we have got a nice little rounded heart, and you can play with your vertices up here. You can just grab them and take them back, up, whatever, to design a heart that you would like to make. I like the fluffy ones. It makes me feel happy. So now let's just quickly add some. Oh, let's just try the select and shade smooth. Yeah, that's an okay heart. So let's just quickly add some color to it. We'll just head over, create a new material for it. Let's just go with the mix shader on this. And let's take the diffuse one here. I want to give it a pink glossy feel, so let's select that. For this we will take the glossy one, and let's take the pink shader, like just a little deep, yeah, on the deeper end, to give it that feel. uh, we have created the material and it is applied to the heart, but the reason we can't see it is because of our viewport settings. So currently we are in the solid mode, so if we just go to the material mode, we can see the bright pink heart in the middle of our screen. I think I will reduce the roughness a little bit. Oh, that's too much. Let's just get the shader down a little bit and the roughness up a little bit so we get this even. I don't like this protruding side, so what I will do is just I'll quickly grab it and move it a little in so that we get this. And you can see we have a heart. And now we'll try to animate it so that it looks like it is beating. It's a very simple animation. So I will just bring my animation pane up and let's just mark it at 120 frames. Let's just quickly check our output settings. Yeah, we have 24 FPS. It's important that you check all the settings before you start doing your animation. I like to do it so that it saves me a lot of issues while rendering. So now we have got the heart. So the very first step we will do is we will just insert a keyframe by pressing I, and then we will lock the location and then press I again and lock the scaling at frame 1. Now we'll come to frame 30, and then what we will do is we will grab the cube, press S, and just make it slightly smaller. And then we'll do an insert frame. We will lock the location and lock the scaling so that we have created the second keyframe. We head over to the 60. We just scale it up a little bit and then insert, lock it on the scaling. I don't think we have to lock it on the location, but I just do it out of habit. So if we now go up and down, we can see a beating heart. And let's just do one thing. Let's just copy this, duplicate, and place it at 90. And select the big heart up here. Press Shift D so that we copy it and put it at 120. I think let's do the frame at 240 so that we get a nice little structure. And then we select all these points, vertices, or the frame areas, and then just quickly go to 150 up here. So now what we have got is, because we are at 24 frames per second and we have 240 frames, so basically we have a 10-second video or an animation of a beating heart, where every heart beat basically is 1 second long, more or less. Sorry, 6 seconds long. Yeah, my mathematics is not that great. So as you can see, the heart is slowly beating. So that's it for today. Guys, I hope you liked the video, and if you like it, please don't forget to click like and subscribe to our channel, and stay tuned for more interesting videos and Blender. Have a good day.